Hi everyone, here's a new tutorial to walk you through the print option.
So in Omni, you can now generate visuals in print format, and I'm going to show you how it works. For this demo, I picked a random render, but it works with any render. Right here, you can click on a ratio. You can choose a web ratio, a custom ratio, or a print ratio. So to do that, I'm going to click print. From here, I can choose the ratio I want, and as you can see, there's several options available, but I can also choose a custom ratio in print format. So let's say I choose this ratio, but for example, now that I have my render, everything looks good, and I click generate. Once this render has been generated, it's going to appear here in the render section. There are two ways to generate renders in print format. The first one, as I just showed you, is the studio. You can change the ratio. Generate the render and you'll be able to find it here and export it. The second option is to convert a render you've already generated into print format. So first option, I change the ratio, my generated render appears here, and then I click on the little cloud icon to access the print format options. I've already selected my ratio. And from here I can choose my color mode, my DPI, and so on. For example, I can go up to 600 DPI. Then I click export to generate my rendered files. Now, if I want to start from a render that's already been created, for example, this one, which was generated with a specific ratio, and I can click on the little cloud icon to convert it into a print file. Then I can select the color mode, DPI, so on, and export it. So as you can see, there are two ways to create print files. Once my render has been generated, I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but there's a small printer icon, and when I hover over it, I can see the DPI. That's one way to tell them apart. But I can also click on the filter here, filter by type, and then select print files. Then I'll see all the renders I generated in print format available here, always with the small print icon to help identify them. And that's it. Our FAQ with helpful articles about color settings, resolution, maximum render limits, and lots of other useful information. And since print exports are much larger files, the generation time will naturally be a bit longer than a standard visual.